Good day, ma'am. I'm second class Fernandez Chanmar Canelio C from BS Marie Eco. This is the situation one, ma'am. From the perspective of Thomas Aquinas, natural law ethics is the moral to help the needs, only the support leads to here true good and growth in responsibility. If the aunt's help encourage laziness and lack of efforts, may be more ethical to let her learn from the consequence. True love should guide a person toward virtue, not enable wrongdoing.
Good day, ma'am. I'm Cadet Second Class 2 Immersion J from BS Marie 3 Echo. So, situation 2, from the perspective of Thomas Aquinas, natural law, ethics, the death penalty can be considered moral only if it protects the common good and is imposed through just authority and right reason. However, since natural law also values the preservation of human life, it should only be used if absolutely necessary to protect society. If there are other ways to ensure justice and safety, then preserving life is the more ethical choice.
Good day, I'm Cadet Second Class Flores Christopher R. from BSME 3 Echo. In situational number 3, from the perspective of Thomas Aquinas, nature's law ethics, selling a kidney is not ethical because the human body is a part of God's creation and should not be treated as a product of print. Nature law teaches that human life and dignity must be respected and harming. One's body for money goes against the nature purposes or for saving life. Attorney means ignition to support this family. It's not the action itself. It's morally wrong because it violates human dignity and the nature order.
I am Cadet Second Class Katulwalaan KBLG. This is my situation. In situation 4, from the perspective of Thomas Aquinas, natural law ethics, tax avoidance is not ethical because paying taxes is part of one duty to support the common good and maintain social order even if there is corruption. One wrongdoing by others does not justify this honey. Natural law teaches that action must be guided by justice and right reason, so intentionally hiding income is morally wrong.
In situations 5, from the perspective of Thomas Aquinas, natural law ethics, abortion is not ethical because human life must be protected from conception as part of the natural law to preserve life, although Julie is facing fear and difficulty. Ending an innocent life is morally wrong since it goes against the natural purpose of protecting human life. Natural law teaches that problems should be solved in ways that respect but both justice and human dignity.
This is the situational 6, ma'am. From the perspective of Thomas Aquinas, natural law ethics, marriage is understood as a union understood toward procreation and the complementary of man and woman. Because of this view of natural purpose, same-sex marriage is considered not in accordance with natural law. Natural law teaches that moral action must follow the natural order and purpose of human sexuality as understood through reason.